welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make printed chocolate marshmallows. Easy, kawaii, and delicious. If you live in Japan, you can find everything at DAISO 100-yen shop, so it doesn't cost you a lot. I hope you enjoy this idea, and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Break chocolates into small pieces. Melt the chocolate over hot water. Cut the chocolate transfer sheets to the size of the marshmallows. Dip in melted chocolate, then place the transfer sheets on top. Chill in the fridge or freezer until firm. Carefully peel off the sheets. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
中にパキパキって割って入れて。
こうやって四角く。
そう四角に割って。
二つしかないよ。二つからない。
二つしかないから二つを半分に割ってパキパキって割って入れて。
これ食べたいな。
食べたいけど入れて。
食べたいな。撮影の時食べるよ。食べた。